All right, guys, we're replacing the infamous rotten 90-degree elbow that always deteriorates on the throttle body of the LT1. All right. It's going to be this little nipple or bib that sticks out right here in the middle. All right, guys. Here's the old elbow that someone tried to patch up before, and it's in pretty bad shape. We're going to use this spark plug boot right here. Comes from Napa Auto Parts. All right, guys. It is $2.50 plus tax. We got 2 of them, just in case I ever need one down the road. All right. We already replaced this end, which goes here. I'm sorry, it goes on the second one here from the bottom. Then the other end, we're going to connect to our spark plug boot. Try to push this in with one hand. All right, and you can put clamps on there, on here if you want to, guys. Not really necessary. All right. All right, guys, there you have it.